Hello and welcome to Instagram Marketing 2018. This is a step-by-step guide to ensure that you will get 10,000 followers on your personal brand or business's Instagram account. Welcome to the course. My name is Annalise.
My name's Benjamin.
And we will be your personal Instagram coaches.
So we're about to jump straight into the course. But before we do, I wanted to walk you through the three main objectives of this course and what you're going to get out of it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set you up with a power account. We're going to make sure your account is fully optimized and appealing towards your target audience. The second step will then be to market this account towards that target audience so that when we are promoting it on the Instagram platform and people come across it, they're going to be following it as much as possible. The third thing we want to do is we want to take those people who find your account, liked your account, and followed it. We're going to turn them into paying customers for your brand.
There are over 800 million users on Instagram right now, and a lot of these are potential followers for you and your business. So let's progress this together. We can turn these users into followers, and we can turn these followers into potential customers for you. It doesn't matter whether you start at a beginner's level or whether you're an intermediate Instagram user. We've all started in the same place, and we're here to help you take these steps and grow your brand.
We've both spent hours researching and utilizing all the Instagram strategies out there, and we've distilled them down to the best ones, and we've simplified them to be able to teach to you so you can copy and get the same results we have. To give you a little bit of background, we both have relatively large Instagram accounts and they're growing every single day with hundreds of followers. We'll pop them up on the screen so you can see some screenshots of our exact followers and our exact content. But if you stick to these strategies, you can replicate these accounts for your own business or brand.
We want you to be just as excited to be here, so as you go through this course and you complete the modules, we'll be handing out special Instagram badges for you. And by the end of this course, once you've collected all these badges, you yourself will be an Instagram expert and you'll see the results on your page. We are so excited to have you here and we're excited to get started. I will be in this course all the time, making sure it's up to date with the latest Instagram strategies, keeping you up to date with the latest Instagram update, and making sure that this course is growing as Instagram and your business grows too. So I'm excited. Let's jump into it.